want to remind you that a solution is made up of a solvent and a solute. The solute is dissolved in the solvent. So there's two parts that make up the solution. We also know that we have volume of a solution and we multiply that by concentration of the solute that's in the solution. We end up with the volume of the solution that is just the solute. So the amount of solute in the solution. So let's do an example. How many liters of a 53% alcohol solution must be mixed with 12 liters of a 31% alcohol solution to obtain a 37% solution? So we're going to make a little chart. You can do this without a chart. I'll show you that in a little bit. Volume of the solution times the concentration. In this case, it'll be of alcohol in our solution. And this will be the amount of alcohol, which is, again, a volume. Okay, we're going to look at solution 1 and solution 2. So we're going to want volume and concentration of each of these. What is the volume of solution 1? How many liters of a 53% alcohol solution? Okay, so how many liters? It's going to go right here. How many liters? We don't know. We're going to call that X. 53% alcohol solution. That's going to go right here. That's my concentration. We're going to change that percentage sign to a decimal. That's how we change the English into math. 53% becomes 0.53. Okay. Then we're going to take volume times concentration, and that's going to give me amount of alcohol. So we're going to multiply across. So this is 0.53x. Then we're going to find solution 2. Solution 2 says, okay, that was our first solution. The solution 1 is mixed with solution 2. 12 liters. 12 liters, is that volume or is that concentration? Well, it's volume. We always know volume is measured in lots of units, but one of them is liters. So this is 12. And we are also looking for the concentration of this second solution, 31%. So that goes right here. Okay. Again, we changed 31% to 0.31, and now we're going to multiply. This is 12 times 0.31. I'm going to leave it like this, so in a minute you can tell where all this came from. Okay, and then we're going to have a new solution. A new solution. What is the volume of the new solution? Well, if I had X liters originally, and I add 12 to that, the new volume is X plus 12 liters. What concentration do I want? Well, I want a 37% solution, so that's going to be my concentration right here. 37% changes to 0.37. Now something interesting is going to happen in this box. I'm going to multiply across like I did before. So 0.37 times x plus 12, which again, it's x plus 12 times 0.37, but I like to put the number in front, equals. Now notice that you multiplied across here, here, and here. Oh, let me read that one. Multiplied across here, and here, and here. You also added down here. So we can also add down on this side because the volume of strictly alcohol is also additive. If there's 0.3x liters of alcohol in the first solution and I add 12 times 0.31 more liters, then my new volume will be the sum of those. So I can add this and get 0.53x plus 12 times 0.31. And this is my equation that I'm going to solve. 0.37 times x plus 12 equals 0.53x plus 12 times 0.31. I'm going to show you how you could have done it without the chart. Let me just flip the sides for a second. If I write this as 0.53x plus 12 times 0.31 equals 0.37 times x plus 12. Let me label a few things. This is solution 1, the amount of alcohol in solution 1, right? And this is alcohol in solution 2. and this is alcohol in the new solution. Why is that the case? Well, this part right here is the concentration, and this part is the volume. Concentration times the volume of the solution gives the amount of alcohol. And I wrote this in the wrong order, but that doesn't matter. This is the volume. This is the concentration, which gives me the amount of alcohol. This is the new concentration I'm looking for, and this is the volume of the new solution. So do y'all see that this can be done very easily without a chart, but the chart makes it very nice. I multiply all 3 rows across, add the first row down, multiply all 3 rows across, add the first column down, the third column down, and you end up with an equation. So let's solve it. I get 0.53x plus, what is 12 times 0.31? $3.72 equals, and then I have 0.37, I'm distributing, plus 12 times 0.37, 4.44. I'm going to solve for x. I want all the x's together, so I'm going to move all the x's this way. I have 0.53x and 0.37x. I'm going to subtract 0.53 minus 0.37. I'm going to get 0.16x plus 3.72 equals 4.44. Now I'm going to do 4.44 minus 3.72. I get 0.16x equals 0.72. Now I divide both sides by 0.16, which is 4.5. And what will my units be? Remember, your x was a volume, so when your units for volume were liters. There we go.